Hey guys, and welcome to another lesson. In this one we would like to learn or learn how to draw the fluorescent symbol. Okay, a symbol for fluorescent lamp. It is not all the lamps will be represented like this. However, this is just an illustration or an application of what we learned. So in order to do this, all you have to do a rectangle like this. This is just for practice, okay, like this. Okay, very large, make it rectangle like this, smaller rectangle. Let's go here like this. Okay, then draw two lines, line like this, and enter, and then another enter to repeat the action or space, and then enter, then a circle like this. Okay, then I would like to remove these lines. I will use a trim, TR and enter, delete this object or these parts, and then I would like to use hatch, H to hatch, and I would like to hatch them using this one. For example, let's say any type of hatching, okay, like this one, for example, let's say here. Okay, just one line. Okay, so let's make it more smaller than before. Let's say 0.1 and enter. Let's make it 0.01. Okay, like this. Hatching appeared, and then hatch it once more here also. You can see here. And then I would like to change the color. Let's make it green, for example, like this. Like this, and skip. Okay, and then we will say this is a fluorescent, type a text like this, add this text here. Okay, fluorescent, fluorescent, okay, like this. Let's say 3x, for example, 30 watt. Okay, for example, right? I don't know actually the so we can move it like this. Okay, we can also double click like this and make it in the center, alignment in center. Okay, then take this one like this, skip. Okay, so we can also take this one, instead of here, let's make it down here, for example. Okay, like this. So let's say we have the symbol for a fluorescent lamp. Okay, but before anything, before converting this into a block, I will make them on one layer. Let's say layer 0, for example, like this. Okay, and then use a block. Okay, let's say F fluorescent luminaire like this, and pick a point. Let's choose any point like this, and okay, so I don't know why the hatching changed. Let's edit this block like this and delete this hatching. Do it once more like this, H and enter, like this, here, and then close block, save changes. And now we have our block for the fluorescent lamp. Okay, but first let's make this one more a different block like this. Let's say line. Okay, like this, and enter. Another line like this, just any random object. Okay, like this. Delete this one, delete this one too, this one, and this one. Okay, and let's make these two as color of let's make it red, for example, or like this. Okay, let's say, for example, this is a luminaire. Make it a block like this. Okay, circle luminaire. Okay, and pick a point, this one, and okay. Okay, so we have this one as another block, and let's copy it like this. Okay, F8 like this, like this. Skip, copy this one too, from here to here like this, and like this. Okay, now let's say I would like to replace this block with this one. How can I do something like this? You can use a function which I didn't explain, block replace, like this, and enter. It will tell you select the block you would like to replace. I would like to replace the circle luminaire. Okay, and select the block to replace this one. I would like to replace it with FLU, and okay. Okay, purge a reference item when finished. Yes, to purge on used, like this. So as you can see here, now this block replaced all of these blocks. Okay, for this luminaire. This can be helpful in some applications. Instead of going take each luminaire and get back, each luminaire and get back, it will be much easier to use this replace function in order to replace each object with another one.